Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. Ever feel overwhelmed by all the AI tools out there? You see people making money online using AI, but when you try, it's like a maze. Which tools do you actually need? Which ones are a waste of money? In this video, I'll break it down for you step by step so you choose the right AI tools for your side hustle and don't waste time or cash on the wrong ones. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Let's get into it. First, let's get one thing straight. AI is just a tool, not a magic button. It won't do all the work for you. But when used correctly, it can 10x your productivity, automate boring tasks, and help you make money faster. So before we even talk about tools, ask yourself, what problem am I trying to solve? Every side hustle has tasks that slow you down or skills you might not be great at yet. AI should help with these things. For example, if you're struggling with writing content, you need an AI copywriting tool. If video editing takes up too much of your time, an AI video editor can help speed up the process. If you're not great at design and branding, an AI graphic design tool can make your content look professional. And if you don't have time to research profitable products, an AI product research tool can do the heavy lifting for you. The key is to pinpoint what's stopping you from making progress. To do this, start by writing down every single task in your side hustle. Then, highlight the ones that take the most time or frustrate you the most. Once you've identified those bottlenecks, focus on finding an AI tool that can help solve that specific problem. Next, which part of my side hustle do I need help with? Think of your side hustle like a machine with different parts. Some parts you might be great at, while others slow you down. Here are the main parts of most online businesses and side hustles, plus how AI can help. If you're in content creation, whether it's blogging, YouTube, or social media, AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate posts, scripts, and captions for you in seconds. Video editing can be a time-consuming process, but AI-powered tools like Pictory, Descript, and Runway ML make it faster by removing filler words, generating subtitles, and automating edits. And if you struggle with design, AI tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI can create eye-catching thumbnails, social media graphics, and branding materials effortlessly. If you're selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables, AI can streamline the process. ChatGPT and Claude can write ebooks and lesson plans for you, while Designer.io and Canva turn plain text into professional-looking PDFs. And when it comes to selling, platforms like Systeme.io and Gumroad help automate your sales pages and product delivery, so you can focus on growing your business. Freelancers can also benefit from AI, especially if they're offering services like copywriting, design, or video editing. Even if you're not an expert, AI-powered tools allow you to provide high-quality work with minimum effort. If you spend too much time writing emails or social media content for clients, AI tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai can generate text instantly. For those working with podcasts or video content, Otter.ai and Descript make transcribing and editing quick and hassle-free. For e-commerce entrepreneurs, AI can be a game changer. If you're into dropshipping or print on demand, tools like Sell the Trend and Ecom Hunt help you find profitable products without hours of research. Struggling with designs, Midjourney and Leonardo AI can generate high-quality graphics for t-shirts, mugs, and more. And if you want to sell books on Amazon but don't know where to start, AI-powered platforms like BookBolt and ChatGPT help with everything from research to writing and formatting. Why this step is crucial? AI tools are meant to solve specific problems, not just be a fancy thing you add to your workflow. If you don't start with the problem first, you'll end up wasting time jumping from one AI tool to another, hoping the next one will be the one, but without a clear plan or goal. You end up testing tools that don't even fit your needs, and that just leads to burnout. Then there's the money trap, paying for expensive software only to realize you'll never use half the features. It feels like progress, but really, you're just spending without results. And the worst part? Getting frustrated when things don't work out. You've invested your time and money, but you're still stuck. That frustration can kill your momentum and make you want to give up. The key is to start simple, stay focused, and only use tools that genuinely move your hustle forward. Because if you don't define that first, you'll end up with shiny object syndrome, buying a bunch of tools you don't even need. Pick the one that fits your side hustle. Don't collect tools just for the sake of it. When it comes to free versus paid AI tools, here's the best approach. Start with free tools first. Test them out and see if they actually help you save time or make money. If they do, then consider upgrading to a paid version for better features and efficiency. For free tools, ChatGPT, free, Canva, free, Pictory, trial, and Otter.ai, limited plan, are great starting points. These give you enough functionality to create content, design graphics, edit videos, and transcribe audio without spending a dime. But if you need more advanced features, investing in paid tools can give you a competitive edge. Jasper is great for pro-level copywriting, Midjourney generates high-quality AI images, and Descript makes video editing seamless. The rule of thumb: if a tool doesn't save you significant time or directly help you make money, don't waste your money on it. Let AI be an investment, not an expense. Before committing to any AI tool, run it through this 3-step test. First, does it actually save you time? If learning the tool takes longer than just doing the task manually, it's not worth it. Second, is it beginner-friendly? A tool might be powerful, but if it's too complicated, you'll end up frustrated and never use it. And third, does it offer a free trial? Always test it out before committing to a paid plan. The goal is to find AI tools that simplify your workflow, not add more stress. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make with AI tools is trying to use too many at once, which leads to paralysis by analysis. You end up overwhelmed and making no progress. Another common mistake is paying for tools before knowing if you even need them, wasting money on features you might never use. And the biggest misconception: expecting AI to make you rich overnight. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic button. It helps you work faster and smarter, but success still requires effort, strategy, and consistency. Remember, AI is an assistant, not a magic ATM machine. All right. Now you know exactly how to choose the right AI tools for your side hustle. Drop them in the comment below and let me know what do you think. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this. That's it for today. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.